Now what I'm going to do now is make onion syrup. Now this is one of the best cough syrups that you can make, and it is so easy and everyone loves it, especially when the children aren't used to sugar, which my children weren't. I've put a layer of chopped onion in a jar, and now I'm going to put approximately a teaspoon of honey. This must be good honey, it's very thick. And you know the best honey is thick honey. So that's about a teaspoon of honey. Now another layer of onion. Another teaspoon of honey. Needs 2 hands. Now by the end of this evening, a syrup should have